Namaste, welcome to the last video of the entire series of learning about motivation. As said earlier in all the other videos related to motivation, motivation is identical with the will to live itself. This is because we all have the will or the motivation to live. So the question here doesn't arise that whether we have or we don't have motivation, but rather the question arises that how much motivation do we have. And life can be lived at a subsistence level, but it can be really lived in a beautiful and a glorious way by being creative and by being really motivated. We can live life or we can just give a chance to live life by chance, but not by the choice. All it needs is that in the best way we should ask for the best and we should not settle for anything less. We often get the best if we demand the best. And if we really are motivated all the time and extremely elevated to pursue all the tasks in the life by remaining motivated, then it becomes really a happy life. And yes, once if you have successfully raised the motivation level within yourself, it is also very important to keep it raised forever. Of course, there will be variable conditions, working conditions, conditions at your organization, conditions in your college, at your school, in the management. But then yes, you have to always prioritize your needs and your systems. You have to look for what is suitable, what is inspiring, and what is not for you. You have to either modify yourself or you have to just remain encouraged in the way you are. It is an extremely important factor for both teachers and students, in fact for all the living things, may it be their personal life, professional life, social life, and so on. Being a teacher, and advise that a teacher must incorporate motivation in his class, because this is the most important factor to encourage to work diligently and pleasurably. Hope all the videos related to learning about motivation will be highly useful for all the students learning about motivation. Of course, we have limited our videos related to only one particular theory of motivation, that is Maslow's theory. In future, we may have more of the theories, more of the content related to motivation. After watching all these videos, it will be really good if you will just go through the quiz which will be given in the further PPTs in the form of screenshots and try to solve those on their own just to verify whether the concept of motivation which has been taught in all these videos are clear or not. And if they are not clear, then once again there is a high need to see all these videos very carefully. Thank you so much.